Reverse engineering tools are essential for deciphering the underlying code and functionality of compiled software, including potentially malicious binaries. This video explores how to use Python and the Radar2 framework for reverse engineering, offering an in-depth look at binary analysis, disassembling, and debugging. Connecting to Radar2, using the R2pipe library, the script opens the specified binary file, creating a connection with Radar2. Analyzing the binary, the command AAA is used to perform auto-analysis, identifying functions, symbols, and more. This stage lays the groundwork for further investigation. Extracting functions, the script uses AFLJ to list functions in the binary in JSON format. These functions are essential components in understanding the program's structure and flow. Disassembling a specific function, the script can print the disassembly of a specific function, such as the main function, using PDF@function_name. This disassembly reveals the low-level instructions and logic. Understanding the output provides insights into the binary, such as function addresses and names. The disassembly is a detailed view of the assembly language, representing the machine code. How to expand on this? Automate the analysis process. Create a toolset that performs automated reverse engineering on a collection of binaries, feeding the results into an analytics dashboard. Integrate dynamic analysis. By integrating debugging functions, you can perform dynamic analysis, understanding how the program behaves during execution. Analyze malware. Applying these techniques can aid in malware analysis, helping cybersecurity professionals understand how malicious software operates. Compliance and legalities. Ensure that reverse engineering activities are compliant with legal regulations, particularly when analyzing proprietary or copyrighted material. Collaborate with other tools. Radar2 can be combined with tools like IDA Pro, Ghidra, or Jupyter Notebooks for an enhanced interactive analysis environment. Investigate anti-reverse engineering techniques. Study methods that developers use to hinder reverse engineering, such as obfuscation or packing, and ways to overcome them. Reverse engineering is a deep and multifaceted field. It's more than simply reading code, it's about understanding, dissecting, and perhaps even altering the binary to gain insights or identify vulnerabilities. In cybersecurity, these skills are invaluable for malware analysis, vulnerability assessment, and enhancing the security posture of systems. By learning and applying these techniques, one gains a profound understanding of the inner workings of software and the digital world. Remember to stay tuned for the next episode. Like, subscribe and click the bell icon. See you in the next one.